Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure your Libertex account. To keep your Libertex account safe, you need to follow the important steps. You need to first use a strong password. You need to create a password, or while you already signed up to your account, make sure you use a strong password that includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. Avoid using your name, date of birth or common words. And the next is to verify your account. To do that, so you need to open to the Libertex app, and once you reach to the interface of Libertex, on the bottom right we could see there's a three-dot icon that says more. Tap on that. Over here on the top, just below the profile, you could see the verification. Select the verification. Over here you need to complete identify verification KYC by submitting your ID and required documents. Select the verify. Select your identity documents and selfie, and this helps protect your account from unauthorized access and withdrawal attempts. And also make sure you secure your email account. Your email is linked to your Libertex, so make sure your email password is strong and 2FA is enabled on your email as well. And also avoid public Wi-Fi. Do not log into your trading account using public or unsecured Wi-Fi networks. Always use a trusted internet connection. And after that, you need to log out after use. Especially if you're using a shared or public device, always log out of the Libertex app when finished. And to do that, on the bottom right, we could see there's a more. Select the more, and once you reach to the more interface, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the logout icon and select logout, and that is it. And make sure you update the app regularly. Keep your Libertex app updated to ensure you have the latest security features and fixes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble securing your Libertex account, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.